Out of Band-Aids. Shoot. Hi, everyone. Gil here at GrayManPrepping. How y'all doing? On this episode of Your Prep Today, we're going to talk a little bit about first aid. First, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, take this opportunity and click that red button down there and then ring the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Doesn't mean you have to watch it, but it means you get notified of, hey, this is what video has been posted, and you decide whether or not to watch it. So how many of you have ever got a paper cut or cut yourself with a knife or something and you didn't have any Band-Aids around? Problem is, sometimes we stock up a whole bunch at one time, and my wife, being the frugal person she is, gets the off-brand cheapy ones, and 6 months or so we go to use one of those and it doesn't stick. And so we just wasted a whole bunch of money on a bunch of Band-Aids that aren't going to work right. So today's tip for your prep for today: stock up on good Band-Aids that are going to last a while, because if the poop hits the fan, the balloon goes up, it's the end of the world as you know it, whatever you want to call it, and you ain't no more being made and you can't get any at the store and you're stuck with what you have, you don't want what you have to be crap. All right? So take the opportunity, go out, watch the sales for either the two best brands, Band-Aid and Curad. You know, a lot of the other ones I wouldn't touch with a 10-foot pole, especially after a couple months when you go to open them up and they just fall apart. Anyways, stay happy no matter what life throws at you, including paper cuts, and don't do anything foolish. So, because we want you to stay safe and stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next video. All right, take care.